Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to report a message on Discord in just a few simple steps. Hover over the message you want to report and click the three dots button at the end of the toolbar to open the message menu. Click Report Message from the menu and the report dialog opens showing several options: harassment, spam, self-harm, and other categories. Select the reason that best matches the issue. For this example, I'm clicking I don't like it, and a thank you screen appears confirming Discord received your report. Click Done to close the confirmation dialog. A feedback screen opens asking how your reporting experience went, where you can rate the process or skip. If you need to report an entire server instead of a single message, right-click the server icon in your left sidebar and look for the Report Server option at the bottom of that menu. Reported messages go to Discord's Trust and Safety team for review. The person you reported won't be notified that you filed a report. You can also block the user at the same time by selecting that option during the report flow if you want to stop seeing their messages entirely. And that's how to report a message on Discord. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.